What is up? It's me, Endergirl1421. Today I'm going to be recording firework video. Let me zoom in. Zoom in, fireworks. They're smoke bombs. Don't throw them at me, okay? Don't throw them at me. I don't like people throwing fireworks at me.
Yeah, that's never good. Nobody likes that.
Oh, you said they could light them?
Don't hit the damn cars, Dominic. They'll burn the paint.
Okay. I'm gonna light one.
Wait.
Here, I'm knocking one down right there. Right here. I'm gonna throw it into the driveway.
There it is, everyone.
Abby, let me record it. I can get up close.
No. So can I.
No, nobody can see it that well because Abby is afraid of it.
No, I'm not.
You're afraid of a little smoke bomb.
No, I'm not.
Oh!
Right where I was standing last time. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it literally went over my head somehow, I think.
It's getting. Can I light one, Dominic? Guys, all of them smoke yellow. Look at it. So illuminating. I'm going to move it, guys, real quick so you can see what it looks like.
Careful.
Okay.
Ooh, smoky, smoky. Sorry, if like this video makes you cough, I don't know why it would, but if it makes you cough, don't watch this. If you have like a coughing problem, don't watch it. So there he is.
Pick it up. Hot still. I'm going to go throw this away real quick.
Don't throw it over here.
Dominic, I want to light.
Don't throw it over here. Because I'm going to stand here and watch.
Okay, guys.
Throw him out in the field.
I want to light one. Guys, we're going to do one up close.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Abby, you can come here. It's not going to get you.
I don't want the sparks to fly up.
I'm just putting it in the box. Dominic, that'll catch it on fire. So what?
It can catch things on fire. Hurry!
I told you! Oh, that's cool. As you guys can see,
It's smoking the box. Oh, that sounds wrong.
it's pouring out yellow smoke. Wait,
Oh.
guys, let's show them what it does in that pipe. Alright, we will. Let me just look at this, guys. Whoa!
It reminds me of that liquid nitrogen gas. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It reminds me of that, except yellow.
Oh, the box, guys, is heating up. We'll
Ooh.
dump it out. Okay, guys, I want you to look at this very closely.
Alright, I'm zooming in at it.
Yeah. It's been dumped out.
This is what it looks like
All the smoke. Okay, so this is what they look like.
when they're not lit.
Look what this did to the box. Look on that.
Holy!
Look how yellow that is.
Look at that!
This is still lit.
It burnt the box.
Here, Dominic, I want to light it. There's a hole at the bottom. I'm going to light hot.
That's what the firecracker
light-
looks
no,
like.
Colton.
That.
Dominic, let me light one. I'm not letting you, Colton. I'm telling you. Colton, never mind.
Now, so we're gonna go to the pipe.
No. Fine, give me my fireworks. You won't let me light one. I'll let you light one. Just give me the freaking thing. You have to throw them all away, though. Should I keep the box? I'll let you light them already, Colton. Okay, keep the box.
Guys, I would light them, but my fingers are too slippery. Coming. So yeah, don't watch this video if it makes you cough.
Alright, guys. As you can see, we already lit some in this hole.
Yeah, there's some already lit in this thingamajigger.
Okay, this is one end. The other end's like at the end of these rocks.
Yeah, I'll go show you. Hold on. Right here.
The other end is right there. I don't know if you can see it very well, but
I'll zoom in.
I don't know if you can see it very well, but this is a pipe.
Yeah, it's a pipe. It goes underneath this rocks.
So let's get this started and see what happens.
Yeah.
We've already done this a few times and it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks
It
like
makes a weird noise too.
if you landed in the water.
Yeah. There's water inside here. We don't like farts if you landed in the water.
I know, it sounds so funny. Throw it in! It's TNT!
Let me see it, Abby. Let me see it.
Wait.
Let me see it.
Hold on.
Is it gonna go
I'm going to
through
record
their
this
end?
one the entire time.
Tell me if it comes out that end. Okay, guys. Apparently it was looking the wrong way. Aw, that sucks, guys. Okay, let me see the phone real quick.
Hold
I
on.
want to get them a good view. It's smoking over here. Go over there. Okay, guys, since it was the wrong way, the smoke came out that end.
Not very good though, but it is.
Yeah, sorry.
Don't blow it towards me.
You can hear it down here. You can hear it still burning.
Stop!
Guys, it's coming out here a lot.
Oh!
Okay, guys, usually this is what it is. I think it's gone now. Okay, I will only see this real quick.
Alright.
I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the tunnel.
Hold on. Just give it right back. And don't get my phone hot. This will melt.
I'm not getting near it. I'm going to put it like back right here. I'm going to be holding it. You can zoom in. I probably will.
It only goes up to 6.0.
Okay, guys, I'm going to put that down real quick.
Wait. I'll hold it.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to throw it on.
Okay, guys.
So he's lighting it right now. I just accidentally took a stupid picture. Hurry!
Okay, Abby, let me see the fun.
Okay.
Okay, guys. As you can see the smoke pouring up. Oh my god, it's going out that end. Woo! Okay. This is what this end looks like, guys. It's coming out this end now. And then this is what this end looks like. Oh, I can't see it. But yeah.
Wait, guys, look. Dramatic entrance.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, guys, we're going to show you something else. Colton will light it. Did you get them? Did you show them when I threw it up in the air?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, Colton's gonna do this real quick. Come over here, Colton. Last firework.
I'll hold it down now.
Okay.
So, last one.
On the ground.
Yes.
Why? That's boring.
We have to.
Okay, Colton. Here we go. Gimme. I didn't need that. Right there. At the end. Not in the middle. Why don't you get it close enough? Like you're scared of it. It's fine. It won't light. Because you're not getting close enough. Here.
Drop it! Run!
Hey guys, look at this. Guys, dramatic entrance.
Dun, 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 dun.
Guys, dramatic entrance. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, man, it's chasing after Colton.
Dramatic. Smokey! Careful! Stop, drop, and roll! Okay, guys, I have to end the video here because my time moment's running out, so we'll end when it is. So give this video a thumbs up, and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I can do more.
If you want to see more fireworks, hot.
Leave a like and subscribe and leave in the comments down below if you want to see more fireworks.
We might like more of these.
Or something else.
So, goodbye to all you people. Subscribe.
I
And
love
then-
all of you.
And then leave a like. Colton's over here playing with the smoke. Hi, Colton. Fire!
Stop, drop, and roll! Stop, drop, and roll! Stop, drop, and roll! Roll!